Saturday review. We're going to do something a little bit different. I had a friend of mine that bought something called Clever Cutter 2-in-1 with a cutter and a little cutting board. So I'm going to do a review on this. I'm not getting any kickbacks, anything. I saw her use this and I thought it was wonderful. So I ordered one and I got it just before my surgery. But today I decided I thought I'd do it for review. So here it is right here. It says the new Clever Cutter. Trying to get it where there's no glare. So you can stop this if you'd like and you can read what's on it. It's slices food without messy cleanup, great for cutting, slicing, chopping, veggies, fruit, cheese, meat, and more. Wow, that's a lot. And it's dishwasher safe. And it says it's razor sharp stainless steel blades, spring loaded, soft grip handles. Okay, so here it is right here. The spring must be right in here. There's the little chopping board. There's the blade. So I've got a few vegetables here. We're going to try them out and see what happens. And then I'm going to use this maybe in a salad later on today for me. Let's try an onion first. And I just got this off Amazon, just to let you know. So if you want to order one. Okay, we're going to put this right in here. See how it works. Wow. Oh, I guess it is chopping. I'm sorry. I didn't realize it was chopping. Well, I think I got it right. Hers worked great. This seems to be struggling. Maybe it's a little too thick. Let me see here. Maybe I'm not doing something right. Wow, hers works so good. And there's the safety right there. Ah, there it is. It wasn't completely off safety. There we go. Sorry, my mistake. See, it's got a lock button right here and it wasn't completely off. So let's do it again. There we go. No problems whatsoever. It's just I didn't have the switch completely off. It's my first time using it with mine. I did use hers. Oh, look at that. This is pretty cool. And what you can do is you can just chop this right over the bowl. Just burp, burp, burp. Now we're gonna try some celery. This is what she used because I went for lunch and she made us some tuna with celery. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look how good that goes. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I like this. I like gadgets anyways. Look at this. Look at this. I am loving it. I can't remember the price of this. I might have to go on and look and I'll put it in the description box below what I paid. Oh yeah, look how nice that came out. Now we're gonna try a carrot. Wow, look at that. Now come on folks. You can't tell me it can get any better than that right there. Look at that. That does a great job. I'm gonna have to call my friend and tell her I tried it and I'm so excited. I love it. It says it does meat too, but I don't know. I do have a small piece of steak that I took out. It's gonna be the first meal I've made since I've had surgery. So if I don't make a salad, I may chop the steak up in and just make a little soup, get a potato and some other vegetables. Oops, I hit that button again. Got to make sure that button's completely off. because if not, it won't cut for you. Wow, this is great. I am loving it. Okay, now let's try the pepper. Look at that. Love it. What isn't there to love about it? Just the only thing is you got to make sure that this switch here is completely down so it will cut. I'm not sure how I want to cut these. I'm just playing around with it because it's my first time and I'm reviewing it. At least I don't have to taste it this week. This is great. I love it. So if anybody has one of these, put it in the comment below and let me know. And how you like yours. The only thing that I say is you got to be real careful about this right here. This little red thing. Because if you go like this, I'm going to put it like that. See that space? It doesn't allow you to cut. You got to make sure it's completely down. So for safety purposes, you go like this, take this, and it locks it. Just like that. Which is good. And when you want to undo it, bam, just like that. Pow. Oh, I'm so happy. I love it when things work good. This is really good. So, if you like this video, I love peppers. Give me a thumbs up so YouTube can recognize what MAINEiac Grammie's got going on here. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Thanks for coming by on Saturday Review. We'll see you tomorrow. You never know. God bless. Have a great day. Bye now.